Hello friends, today we are together to learn the second part of practical conversation training. I hope you enjoy it.
You ever go outside without makeup?
Recently, yeah, a lot.
Am I handsome?
As I said, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, so to some people, I guess.
How often do you take a selfie?
Not as often, honestly. Yeah.
Do you have a good sense of humor?
I think I'm silly, not funny. There's a difference.
How would you describe your personality?
Silly, bubbly, golden retriever, ENFP, sunshine. Yeah.
Could you lend me $100?
I don't know you.
What do you do?
I am an actress, singer, and songwriter.
Do you like K-pop?
Yeah, I work in the K-pop industry, so of course.
Who's your favorite idol or group?
Recently, out of the new ones, I really like sharpen.
Which artists have you written songs for?
50/50, Fulji from EXID, and a lot more that I can't tell you yet.
What's your most famous song?
As of now, probably Log In by 50/50.